Hey everybody, this is going to be a very short video. I'm just in the mood for some fried cornbread. And to make this, you'll just need about a cup of self-rising cornmeal mix and about 3/4 of a cup of milk. And that's it. Mix it all up. Get your pan real hot, and I'm using a cast iron skillet. And I use a little more oil than maybe most, but I like my cornbread to get a little crunchier. So after your pan is hot, just put that in your pan by the ladle full or however you want to do it, and fry those up and enjoy. I'm just wishing I had some garden fresh tomatoes to go with this, but I don't, so I'll make do. So anyway, thank you for stopping by, and if you like cornbread and don't want to make a big pan of it, just fry up some. It's so simple, just takes a couple minutes. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. The video isn't over yet, but I'm just going to stop talking now. So watch the rest, and I hope you make these, and have a great day. See ya.